Anuradha Yadav and welcome to Time to Tutor by Anu. In today's class, I am going to teach you about lines and strokes. And we all know that we can draw shapes, we can write letters and numbers by using these lines and strokes. So in this class, I will teach you how to draw lines and how to draw strokes. So let us start our class. So students, first of all, I will introduce the lines with all of you. So see, this one is standing line. You can see a standing line here. This one, standing line. Okay, now the next one you can see sleeping line. Which line? Sleeping line. You can see a sleeping line here. Sleeping line. Okay, now the next one is slanting line. You can see slanting line. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Both lines are here. You can see slanting line. Okay. Now the next you can see curved line. Curved lines right and left. Okay. Now the next up curved line. This is up curved line. And the next one is down curved line. Down curved line. Now let us learn how to make these lines. So students, now we will learn how to make lines. So first of all, you can see two dots are here. If we join these two dots, we have a standing line. Which line? Standing line. So let us join these two dots together. If we join these two dots together like this, if we join these two dots together like this, we have a standing line. Standing line. Another one, you can see two dots. If we join these two dots like this, we have a sleeping line. Which line? Sleeping line. Now the next, we have two dots. If we join these two dots like this, we have a slanting line. If we join these two dots like this, we have another slanting line. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Now look at here. We have two dots. If we join these two dots like this, so we have a curved line. If we join these two dots like this, we have another curved line. Okay, we have another curved line. And these two lines, these two curved lines are right curved line, left curved line. Let us go with the another two dots you can see here. If we join these two dots like this, we have a up curved line. Up curved line. You can see up curved line. And if we join these two dots like this, we have a down curved line. Which line? Down curved line. So in this video, we have learned how to draw lines. In the next video, we'll learn another something new.